guys, and welcome back to my first ever video on YouTube. Today we're going to be filming Pikachu. Yeah, that's right. Right now he's coming over. Let's see. Oh, where are you going, bird? Get away. Okay. Stop. Okay. Now he's gone away. He's not allowed to touch my iPad because this is a very new one. I bought one yesterday and Mum paid $525 on it. So yeah. And there he is. You can see him, guys. There he is, picking the bell. You know he poos everywhere, right? Oh, you didn't know that more. I've made a video yet, so no. Oh, he got the mud. It was mud. Oh, there's the mud. There's the mud. Oh, where was that going? There's the mud. There he is. Get away from my screen. Okay, so there he goes. Okay, I'll end it there. Wait, no, let's not end it there. Okay, so there he is. He's super cute, right? Yeah, super cute. You guys see him? No. I'm sorry that he's disappearing in like some photos and stuff, so yeah. I'm gonna make some more videos about like I don't know, I can't make any videos about I think I can make a video about like playing tag with Ryan or something. Because I can do it on my mum's phone. I can record on my mum's phone or something. I don't know, but I can work that out someday. Right, there's Pikachu. Oh my gosh, he always does that. He always jumps with the ball. And guys, if you haven't liked and subscribed to never miss another video, because I'll be posting videos every day. I think, I don't know really. So yeah. If you want to like and subscribe, you can. That'll mean a lot to me. So yeah. And also, if you haven't, go and watch Unspeakable videos because I'm giving a shout out to him because he's so cool. Oh, and Preston as well. Because he always tries and says Brianna, but it's nothing too useful. Because he never saves her. He tries. He says it every time, but he fails. So yeah, back to bird. Get away from my screen, then. Okay, he's incredibly close to us.
Noah, is Selena in your class?
Okay, so no, Pikachu, you can't pick my screen. You cannot pick my screen. Pikachu, get away from my screen. Sit over there. No, Pikachu, over there. Over there. Don't bring it over here. Right, I think I'll end it there. I'll end it there at 5 minutes. Did you guys just see that? He went on his wing. He's so mad at the ball right now. He's giving it on his phone. Okay, guys, I'll see you in the next episode. See ya. Bye.